Bonjour, mes amis. Uh, this time we're going to talk about La Bibliothèque, or the library for those people in Canada. The library is a place where you can get articles, seminars, and auction videos that have been taken over the years. It's a great place, just like the library has books and videos and magazines. It could be exactly the same as a library that you would go to. Let's take a look at the Carnival Glass Library. Okay, we've got lots of different sections in here. There are books in here. Okay, and books in here, let's say you wanted to go to Birds of a Feather by Ron Britt. Okay, he has a book where he talks about all the patterns of the different peacock plates, peacock pieces. Okay, so it's a series of drawings and features of the patterns of Millersburg, Northwick, and Fenton peacock and the urn, and it's many different pages too. So you've got all the different possibilities of the different patterns and how they're different. Okay, that's a great place to look at if you're looking at books. Okay, let's take a look at catalogs. Section on catalogs. For example, let's say the Butler Brothers catalog. Okay, now this is a big catalog, many different pages. So you can see as on your screen that it's going to take a long time for it to download. So once it's downloaded, it's going to come up and you can see front page. Okay, what would you do with front page? And as you go down the different pages, and you got many different pages. Okay, as you can probably see on your screen, and go all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. So tons and tons of 418. This is page 18 out of 417. So you can see there's a tremendous amount of information on that particular catalog. Go down to video seminars. Okay, video seminars are different recordings of seminars that have taken place at different conventions about all different types of categories: yellow iridescence, carnival glass variations, lower legend and glass. Gee, I think I know that guy. Stretch glass, Christmas compotes, investing in glass, all the way down, and there's lots of people that you might recognize here that have done presentations at different. I think I know her too. Okay, but that's a great place to get information through different videos of seminars that people have given at conventions. Okay. We go down to auction broadcast videos. Okay, in this case, what we have are the videos taken at different conventions of auctions. Okay, for example, here's one by Tom Burns with Stretch Glass Society auction. Okay, and you would click on the red arrow and you'd have a video of that particular auction where you would see the pieces, you would see the different bids, the competition for get a piece, and then how much it actually ended going for in the end. Okay, if I go back here, those would be different auctions. Okay, Great Lakes Carnival Glass Club. There's Texas. There's a Jim Seek auction. There's Jimmy Reichel auctions. There's Rhoda auctions. They're all on here. All the different auctioneers and the videos of their different auctions. Okay. Auction brochures. Now it's interesting that now the different auctioneers don't usually hand out brochures anymore. They can put it up online and you can get all the information online. Let's say in 218, a road auction on March 17th, you can see all the different pieces that were in that auction and the brochures that went with that auction. And again, the brochures are kind of going out of style because you can see it online now. People are more attuned to using their computers to determine what's going to be coming up in a different auction. Okay, Stretch Tuesday articles for the Stretch Club, given and submitted by different Stretch Club members, and these all came from articles in the daily list, the daily mailing list. So you could see something from past lists that were that were sent in to the mailing list and that were published in the mailing list. That is also part of Hooked on Carnival mailing list. Okay. Let's say we go back here one more time, and this column's finished. Let's go to the right side. These are all articles. Articles by members of clubs. Articles are experts. Articles of people who've been around for a long time. Let's say here's one by Ingrid Spurrier on Dugan. Okay, this is an article that she posted, and it's pictures of the pieces and her description of them, and again, this came from the daily Hooked on Carnival list dated 7/18/2021. So, in other words, mailing list is another place to be. You're going to see things in the mailing list that may soon be part of this library. Okay, and that kind of covers everything here, all the different possible categories. And if we go back one more time, and we're back on the main Hooked on Carnival page. Okay, so that takes care of the library. And we'll hopefully see everybody at the library someday. The place to be, it's the place to learn, and it's a place for Carnival Class people. Take care. Have a good day.